Thank you for joining me today. My name is Paul Barnas. I am the Solutions Sales Executive here at Ingram Micro for the Microsoft Teams Rooms Initiative. And right now I am joined by Justine Watson, Distribution Account Manager for HP Poly. We're here to talk about hybrid work today. You know, it's kind of been the top topic for the last 2-3 years. And you know, hybrid work's here to stay. And companies all are coming up with different strategies. So with the return to the office and that hybrid work being here to stay, what is HP Poly strategy in this space?
All right, Paul, that was a great question because one of the primary reasons as to why HP purchased Poly was to help companies better define their hybrid work approach. Hybrid work is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a customized solution based on what the company's requirements are. So if you take a look at what HP has the ability to do, they've got compute, they've got peripherals, they've got prints, but now bringing the UC strategy into their portfolio by using Poly solutions, headsets, voice and video, we're able to really complete that unified communications approach and make sure that they've got the right solutions for all of their customers' needs, just because we do play now in all areas. So what you're going to see from the HP Poly solution area going forward is the fact that, you know, we've got solutions. It's not just here's a product, here's a headset, here's a PC. It's here's the overall solution that's going to be best for your specific environment.
That's really great. So Justine, another question for us is, we know people are working from everywhere, and it's all about having that great quality audio, video from no matter where you have to pick up that meeting from. So what are some of the products that HP and Poly specifically are working on that are aligning with your hybrid work strategy?
So we've got a whole portfolio of products, whether it's headsets, voice and video, that really meet that requirement regarding, you know, what's going to be best for each and every person's type of environment. So when you look at hybrid work, you're looking at, you know, you want to be able to collaborate, you want to be able to be productive, and you want flexibility. So we've got so many great products. So one of our newest products I'm going to show you real quick. The Voyager 360. This is our new earbud. So Poly in the past has never had an enterprise grade, and I emphasize enterprise grade, earbud. And that's because we wanted to make sure we came out with the best. So if you take a look, you've got your nice little earbud case. This case charges your earbuds. It also connects to entertainment systems on airplanes, which no one has the capability of doing currently. So what we are doing here is, you know, for the road warriors that want something that's easy and simple, but still has high quality. It's not going to replace an enterprise grade desktop headset like the Voyager Focus 2 because that's got acoustic vents in it, but it's going to be a great complement. We also have the new Voyager Surround 80, which is our immersive headset that was just launched earlier this year, or excuse me, earlier this month. And I don't even have a sample of that yet because it's so new. But what is interesting is that headsets are very personal. So we want to make sure we've got all sorts of headsets for everyone's requirements and wearing style. But the big picture when it comes to new product is not necessarily the new product, but the fact that we're going to be much more solutions oriented. So as we go through the next few months, there's an integration initiative currently that integrates Poly into HP. So that means changing all of our part numbers to HP part numbers. That means migrating from the Poly partner solution to the HP partner solution. It means a lot of things, but the net is that in the end, we're going to be able to solution sell and put together the right category of products to make you as successful as possible. And to round it all out, we've got Ingram Micro, who is going to help lead the charge when it comes to helping partners navigate all of these changes. So they're set up and raring to go, and we've got a lot of great initiative ahead of us.
Justine, that's great. You made a great comment about the whole solution sales thing, because that is the biggest thing here at Ingram Micro that we are doing right now. It isn't anymore about just buying a headset or buying a speaker puck or a particular conference room solution. It's actually buying the entire solution to make sure that you're equipped to handle any particular situation that may come up where you may have to work. So I really want to thank you for joining us today, Justine, and we hope to talk to you in the future.
Thanks so much.
That was some really great information from Justine at Poly. I'm joined now by a very special guest, Mehryn Corrigan, our worldwide channel sales lead from Microsoft. How are you doing today, Mehryn?
Wonderful, Paul. Thank you for having me.
Awesome. We're really pleased to have you, and it's kind of a pleasure to have you because you are the worldwide channel sales lead that I worked with for a long time, and I'm very happy to speak with you today. I'm going to lead off with the same question I gave Justine because I'm sure Microsoft has a little bit of a different idea, but with that return to work and that hybrid work being here to stay now, what's Microsoft's strategy in this space going forward?
Well, it's all about flexibility. Pre-pandemic, we were all used to meeting in person. When we went to pandemic, we were all used to having our own square on the screen. And now it's all about hybrid, where we've increased the number of challenges. Everybody wants to be seen, they want to be heard, and they want to have inclusivity. They want to feel like they're contributing and being recognized. So it's a bit dynamic. We really need to support the person no matter where they are and give them the flexibility of choice there. And so creating that flexibility is a lot of where our efforts have been, giving lots of opportunity for things like intelligent cameras to be able to sense the number of people in the room and give them their own box, or also intelligent audio to have things be natural and inclusive. I'm looking at somebody at eye level, I'm hearing audio from where they are on the screen. So really taking an innovative step forward, and now with the new world of AI, embedding that into really productive meetings before, during, and after, and allowing people to have a new level of creativity, which is awesome.
It's some great information. I really like that. Now, I know Microsoft, we really don't make a product per se. So what are some of the things that you guys are reaching out to your valuable vendor partners to align with that strategy going forward? What are some of the things you guys are seeing, maybe looking for, or asking of them?
So we've got a new archetype, is what we call it. Microsoft Signature Teams Rooms is one of them. On a scale of BYOD all the way up to Signature, we're providing lots of flavors and options of how you might want to do a meeting. So as you said, we work with a really diverse ecosystem of hardware partners. We layer on with the software capability. And those hardware partners have come to the table with immense innovation over the last year. You heard from Poly talking about headsets devices for the personal environment, but we're also working with a long list of partners when it comes to the actual meeting space, giving anything from whiteboarding in the room to content cameras to high quality AI cameras that can do a large auditorium or meeting space, up to multi-camera environments for a large scale boardroom. So that ecosystem is pretty diverse. We've got a lot of partners in the ecosystem that also do a great job of integrating multiple different hardware manufacturers into one single space. So super fun, very innovative, and there's been a lot of change in the space, but ultimately for the goal of giving people the flexibility of choice, ultimately at the end of the day, to be able to have a really productive and engaging meeting. I love seeing you face to face on camera. Video adoption has been amazing. But one of the unfortunate things is that not every meeting room is equipped to do video at all. So not only equip rooms to do video, but take it a step further, understand a customer's needs as to what they want to achieve within that space, and then really design and implement a room that meets those needs.
Well, you said another key important thing that most places don't have video. That's the really good thing for me because otherwise I probably wouldn't have a job. So, but yeah, the innovation and everything that Microsoft comes out with, it is, you're always hearing something new and it's evolving, just like this hybrid work style has evolved over the last 2 years. It's been a great pleasure speaking with you because we don't get to talk as much. And I really want to thank you for joining us today. And we look forward to speaking to you again.
Hello, Ingram Micro. It's Chris Luter. I'm the Vice President and General Manager for Blue Jeans by Verizon. Hey, we are so excited to partner with you. Ingram Micro is impressive. $54 billion in revenue, servicing over 61 countries. It's the great partnership between two very large companies. Blue Jeans by Verizon, the value proposition, it's secured by the Verizon network, and it runs on the latest and greatest of our 5G network. So we offer a lot in this bundle. Let's talk about the two bundles that we're going to hit on today, amongst many others. First, Blue Jeans Gateway is the perfect complement to a customer with MS Teams environment and how we work together. You'll learn more about that in a moment. Secondly, Blue Jeans Rooms as a Service. It's really partnering with industry-leading hardware providers like Poly to create a solution to help companies with their old conference rooms, as well as the expansion of their video conference rooms that they currently have right now. And believe me, the demand for this is very high with the return to office movement that's going on right now. How do we work together with the best price, the best margin, and the largest opportunity to expand Ingram Micro's portfolio of video conferencing with Blue Jeans by Verizon? Super excited to execute on that and look forward to working with you.